How to convert landscape video to portrait in CapCut. So if you want to convert a landscape video to portrait in CapCut, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, now you can simply choose an existing project, or you can simply go for the new project. So I'll be choosing an existing project, or you can also choose a new project. Just tap on new project and then you can select the video. And once you've selected the video, now here you will have this kind of video, right? So if you have the video in the landscape mode and if you want to convert it to a portrait mode in CapCut, then what you need to do is simply don't select on the video. So simply release the video, and once you've untap on your video, now here on the bottom you will have a bunch of options, right? You just need to simply swipe right and you need to go for an option which is aspect ratio. Tap on aspect ratio, and under the aspect ratio, now if you have it to the original, then you just need to go for the second option, or the TikTok option, which is 9:16 ratio. And once you've choose 9:16 ratio, now you just need to tap on the tick which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on the tick, now you just need to go for background which is on the bottom right and tap on blur. Once you choose the blur, now you can simply choose any one of these blurs, and that's it. That's how you can convert a landscape video to a portrait in CapCut. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.